say MJ was a blessing to us, and he brought us together to spread the love and heal the world for a good cause. Like a saint he was, one man with silver gloves. Started off with a man in the mirror, and he never stopped, and he just got greater. Was one of a kind, no one never can find. The greatest creation by the man above, greatest creation by the man above, by the man above, by the man above. You may be gone, but your legacy lives on, Michael.
ரணத்தால் என் மனம் உன் பிரிவை எண்ணி தவிக்கும் இங்கே. இழந்தோம் கலைஞரை ஒரு உலகம் கண்ணீரில் முன்னே. ரணத்தால் என் மனம் உன் பிரிவை எண்ணி தவிக்கும் இங்கே. இழந்தோம் கலைஞரை ஒரு உலகம் கண்ணீரில் முன்னே.
I just wanna holler at Michael Jackson, just to let him know that the world needs his presence. In essence, the music was a blessing. He made us believe we could heal the world, no matter we black or white, rich or poor, boy or girl. Mr. King, the general of peace, MJ truly made us come together to unleash, hey, the LOVE, the peace and harmony. Bless the world alongside Pop, Molly and Biggie. Push the head down one more time, push the head down one more time. Hey, you are not alone, I believe, 'cause you are not alone. I believe 'cause you are not alone. I believe 'cause you are not alone. I believe.